In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Meta Quest 2 to PC with a link cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use your Meta Quest 2 headset in conjunction with a PC. And using a cable is ideal because it eliminates any sort of latency that methods like AirLink could introduce. To do this, first I recommend downloading the MetaQuest Link app. While this isn't a strict requirement, I recommend using it because it can help you fix any sort of issues and it's going to ensure that the headset gets detected. So download it for free, look for MetaQuest Link on the official website, and after you have the app, in order to connect your MetaQuest 2 headset, you will use a high-quality USB cable. Meta actually sells the official link cable for these headsets, but you don't need to strictly use this particular model. You can just use a high-quality USB-C cable, usually 3.2. So as long as you have a high-quality cable, you plug one end into the MetaQuest 2 headset, and the other one goes into any USB port available on your PC, laptop, or any other device. Once it is connected like this and you power on the headset, you will see this prompt to enable Oculus Link. Enable Oculus or Quest Link and you can also find it under the quick settings, and this should be enough to have you connected. If it doesn't work, then you can open the Link app like I mentioned earlier, and in here after signing in with your account, go to Devices, Add Headset, and then choose the Quest 2 from here. Select the connection method, link cable, and proceed. You will follow the same instructions and now it should be detected. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.